What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the touchscreen sensitivity issues in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on display. Now in display, scroll down and here you will see a touch sensitivity button. So tap on this button to turn it on, and turning on this button will increase the touch sensitivity of your screen. And also turn on accidental touch protection to prevent your phone from accidental touches when it's in a dark place such as pocket or in a bag. So turning on these two buttons will help you to fix the touchscreen sensitivity issue. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.